With people working from home and so many things happening, there's so many chances that we can end up sending emails to recipients we didn't intend to send those emails to. So it'll be great if we can have some form of a mail tip or notification that tells us to say, hey, that email you're about to send out is actually being sent to a recipient who is not within your organization. Let's take a look at how we can configure that kind of a mail tip within Office 365. So the first thing is that you must be connected to Office 365 Extend Online using PowerShell. Let me just quickly check if my mailbox is reachable. Okay, that is perfect. So let's go ahead now and set the policy. So that is going to be set organization config. MailTips external. Then we'll enable that. Alright, so this is all you need to do. Press enter over here. Okay, the policy should be actioned by now. The next thing is that we'll go and test whether this policy is going to hold within Outlook. Okay, so let's open our Outlook over here and start a new message. So go to new message, and for a start, let's just quickly try to do a quick start of any email test within our environment. So all these are members of our organization. Okay, so we'll run a dummy subject over there and just try to send this out. Right, so that worked perfect. Now what if we try something, okay, for recipients who are outside? Let's just say john@gmail.com. all right, and try to send something to John. Notice that this already gives us that tip that we're looking for. The following recipient is outside your organization. So if I'm busy working and there's so many things going on and I end up adding a recipient who isn't actually supposed to receive that email, or most probably outside our organization, I'll simply get that mail tip to inform me to say, hey, that particular recipient is actually outside your organization. And this can be very important for policies revolving around data leak prevention and many other security features that you may want to implement within your environment to prevent users from accidentally sending emails to wrong recipients. All right, so thank you for now, and I'll see you next time.